Can you hide highlights on Instagram? Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide highlights on your Instagram. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app, tap on your profile, then tap on menu, tap on settings, then tap on privacy, then tap on story. Here you will see the hide story option. Tap on it. Select the people you want to hide your story or highlights from. You can also use the search bar to find. After you have done selecting, go back and your future stories will be hidden from the people you have just selected. So this is how you can hide highlights on your Instagram.